how to check in hold luggage on EasyJet. And that's about be really determining through the situation that is about what is going on over here, and then is still to be something that it should be really determined by the situation. That is about be really something that it should be really going on through what is about be really determining by its situation, by its everything that is really to be really going on. And as you can understand and see, that is still to be really determined by the definition that is about to be really going on through its situation, that is still about to be really going on. As you can understand and see, log in through the EasyJet account and open the manage bookings, and then as you can see, to select the flight that you want to check in section, and then add your luggage details before confirming your check-in, and then about to find the proceed and again your boarding pass. And that's all about to help you.